Hi, my name is Arjun Reddy, and today I'm I'm gonna be revising this negative sentence by making it good. So the negative sentence was meatloaf is so gross. Why would you make this for dinner? One example you can say is you're a great cook, but just telling meatloaf is not that good. My second one is do you like meatloaf? Sorry, I don't really like meatloaf a lot. Can you make something else? And yeah, this is these are some stuff you can say if you think meatloaf is gross. Thank you.
Very good, Arjun. High five.